Hey, good morning, friends. This is Sriharsha from Crazy Money with Sri. If you are looking for actually trading on the intraday basis for Nifty and Bank Nifty, and you want to know which levels should you actually look out for buying or selling, this is the right place. So stay till the end to understand how the market can actually do and what you need to work on that. I'll tell you the bull side scenario, bear side scenario, as well as the range for today. So if you're still not a part of my YouTube channel, go ahead, like this video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon so that you will get all the latest notifications. So let's get started, guys. So where is the Nifty, Bank Nifty, and what are the things which are possible? See, if you look at what happened on Friday, I had actually told to you also saying that the market is more likely to move on the upside. It went up, then actually there was a dip, but I had actually very clearly told to all my subscribers that especially who are a part of my pro trading club, very clearly told you it is going to be a gap up on Monday. So that's exactly is going to happen right now, and you're seeing that. And I think the pre-opening is done. And where have we opened? We have opened at 16,592. Okay, now let us look at the levels, guys. See, we have opened at a level which is very close to the resistance. There is a possibility of upside is possible. It can actually move still further from here, but I don't see a very massive upside which is there. Maybe another 30 points, 50 points is possible from here, but from there, see, we have a lot of resistance. If you see what happened on Thursday, the resistance is there from 16,600, 650, 700. All these places are actually very strong resistance areas. And so if 16,600 can sustain, probably there is a possibility of on the upside. But if it cannot sustain, then actually market has a potential to come back and retest the 16,500, 550. So this is very important. 16,500 is a make or break kind of a place. And if 16,500 can hold, again, market can actually try moving back towards the 16,700 levels. But if this is going to get breached in the coming days, because this entire week I have told you in my pro trading club also, we're not expecting any extraordinary upside or any extraordinary downside in the market. We are looking at the market to be more on the range bound kind of a situation. So from here, see, already if you look at the opening, it is actually opening almost 1% up. So the range actually is almost done for the day on the upside. I'm not actually expecting any for the intraday purpose. See, overall market is still bullish, everything is great for the market, but for the intraday purpose, I am actually more I would be more looking at a shorting opportunity, not earlier. Maybe after 11:30 onwards, I'll be probably looking at it. If it cannot sustain 16,600, probably 50 points, 100 points is possible. 50 points so definitely is possible. So quick scalping is possible. 100 points, it all depends on the market. All depends also on the bank Nifty, because see, Nifty is still strong. I've been telling you from a very long time, Nifty is still strong. Bank Nifty is the place where there's a lot of weakness. So the major support area, 34,800, 35,000, very likely that this is going to hold as per what we are seeing, because this is what we have been there from the beginning of the month. So I don't expect this to be broken. But at the same time, there is a too much of actually shorts which are built up. So now, where is Bank Nifty opening? It is opening at 424. Okay, almost around this 35,500. See, that is 35,500 is going to act as a resistance. If at all it can go another 100, 200 points, movement is possible on the upside. But if 35,500 is going to be breached, I'll be more looking on the short side. So 35,000, see, this 35,500 is what actually is the level. When 600, 650 onwards, there is a lot of resistances. 700, all these places are big resistance for Bank Nifty. So don't actually go and buy in the beginning of the stage. You can buy only on the dips. And I would suggest you on the intraday basis, for the time being, if you already have a position, you can actually look for opportunity for actually getting out of the long positions and wait for the shorting opportunities. Don't be in a hurry to do anything. Currently market, we are also having some news saying that the FM is actually going to launch a new scheme and all. So those things are actually going to be a little positive on the market. Market may actually move up. Gap up is there. it can actually sustain for maybe another 1 hour or so, or probably 2 hours. But how long can it sustain? Sustainability is very important. If it can sustain, then we need continuous buying for the market to move higher. Otherwise, actually, market may come back into a range bound kind of a scenario. I'm not expecting a fall after this huge gap, but I'm not expecting a big upside movement also. So it will be more on the, you can actually look at the levels which I have actually shared with you. As long as, as long as we stay above 35,500, it is positive for the market, especially on the banking free part. And as long as we are above 16,600, we are positive for Nifty. So that actually you can note down. If we actually start going below that, it is best to actually exit your long positions. Don't get into a short until unless we see weakness in that. So thank you very much, guys. If you are liking the information I'm sharing with you here in this video, go ahead, like the video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon so that you will get all the latest notifications. Thank you very much. Have a great and prosperous day. Bye bye.